Yes, hello. Yeah, greetings. This is Mugogo Mark of Uganda Environmental Conservation Organization. Today, 15th of May, we are here at our demonstration farm. As you can see, we are clearing these grasses and to remove them from our bananas. And you can see so far, let me turn off the... You can see that the place is looking super fine. The place is looking so nice. These young bananas are thriving well. As you can see, our lemongrass is also growing at a higher rate. We are hoping for the best. We are turning this place into a demonstration farm. You will be coming here to visit to learn more about apiary, beekeeping. You come here to learn about dragon fruit farming. You're going to come here to learn about modern way of farming, utilizing your land maximally to gain profit from it. Down there are our dragon fruit. They are down there, as you can see. Let me show you. It's also a place is also clean. It was cleared well, as you can see. These are the lemongrass I was telling you. You can have a look at them. They are growing well. The bananas, all trees around. I'm telling you, the place is looking so super fine. So, stay tuned for our next updates. We shall be giving you more updates about our farming, our progress with dragon fruits, our progress with bees, our progress with all kind of things. Here we are organic and we advocate for organic farming, and we call up all youth to join organic farming and to be environmentally. It's environmentally friendly. You can see everything is just super organic, as you can see at our farm. Thank you so much. You can reach out us at +256 742 765834. You can WhatsApp me and inquire all things about environment and organic farming as well, dragon fruit, banana, beekeeping, and so on. Thank you so much. This is Uganda Environmental Conservation Organization. Thank you for following us.